Which gas is essential for human breathing? Oxygen. Which metal is very soft? Sodium. Which element forms the strongest hydrogen bonds? Fluorine. Which element has symbol Mg? Magnesium. Which element is used in light bulb filaments? Tungsten. Which element has symbol S? Sulfur. Which element has symbol P? Phosphorus. Which element has the highest electronegativity? Fluorine. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What is the lightest element? Hydrogen. Which metal is very shiny? Silver. Which metal is used in cans? Aluminum. Which acid is present in vinegar? Acetic acid. Which gas is toxic? Carbon monoxide. Which gas protects Earth from UV radiation? Ozone. What is the chemical formula of water? H2O. Which gas protects Earth from UV radiation? Ozone. Which element is found in sand? Silicon. Which element is used in fertilizers? Nitrogen. What is the formula of ammonia? NH3. Which compound is a ketone? Acetone. Which gas is toxic and colorless? Carbon monoxide. Which element is found in diamonds? Carbon. What gas do plants release during photosynthesis? Oxygen. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Fe. Which element is used in fertilizers? Nitrogen. Which acid is found in oranges? Citric acid. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? Which compound is an example of a base? NaOH. What is the formula of ozone? O3. Which gas is used in balloons? Helium. What is the formula of carbon dioxide? O2. Which gas has the lowest molar mass? Hydrogen. Which element has symbol Ti? Titanium. Which gas is in soda? O2. Which gas is greenhouse gas? O2. Which element is a metalloid? Silicon. Which element has the smallest atomic radius? Helium. Which gas helps plants grow? Carbon dioxide. Which element is used in glass? Silicon. Which gas is colorless and odorless? Nitrogen. Which acid is strong? Sulfuric acid. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? Carbon dioxide. Which element has atomic number 1? Hydrogen. Which element is a noble gas? Helium. Which acid is weak? Acetic acid. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Which element has atomic number 26? Iron. Which element has the symbol Mg? Magnesium. What type of bond is formed by sharing electrons? Covalent.